are not going to believe this. It is February, and my February Allure Beauty Box came, and it's still February. Yay! I get to unbox it in February. Woohoo! It's February 28th, but still, it's actually the month it's supposed to come. So, that's what we're going to do today. We're going to unbox it. Alright. The first thing I see in the box is this little $25 gift. You know, like, you buy something that's $50 and they'll give you $25 off of it, that kind of deal. Yeah. So, you're not really getting a $25 gift, they're just trying to get you to buy something and then they'll give you a discount. Here's the little pamphlet for the month. Put that over to the side. Ooh, the bag this month is black. Check it out. Very sleek. Very nice. Okay. Well, the first thing pulled out is a brush. And this is a Moda Metallics triad eye brush. And this brush is $4.99. Looks like a nice brush. Nice brush. Moda brushes are good brushes. I like Moda brushes. Alright. Next. Oh, from Doucce, we have Doucce Fierce and Fine graphic pen. And it is $21. Ooh, that is fierce. Look at that. Check that out. See a little line on the back of the hand. The line's crooked, of course, but that's a pretty fine line. Okay, liking it so far. Pretty good bag so far. What else have we got in here? Oh, okay. This was at the beginning of the pamphlet. This is Wander Beauty Mile High Club Mascara. It's Mile High Club Mascara, huh? It's $26. I have a thing about opening mascaras until I'm ready to use them. So I'm going to show you guys what the bristles look like. This is what the bristles look like. It's a pretty nice brush. I don't want to open it because I'm not ready to use it yet. And mascaras only have a 3-month shelf life. So I'm going to save that for when I'm ready to use it. Alright, what's next? Okay, we got a face wash, it looks like. This is the Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Cleanser. Okay, so this is one of those cleansers that starts out as an oil and turns to foam, and it does like a double cleanse for you all in one step. And this full size is $21. This is obviously a sample size, but I'd say you could get probably a dozen washes out of this little bottle. What's next? Modelco Metallic eyeshadow trio in Mykonos. Oh, this is pretty. This is an eyeshadow trio, and they're all metallic, it looks like. Those are gorgeous. Look at that. Pretty, pretty shades. Those make perfect all over the lid shades. Just, you know, one well, what am I saying? One color on the lid shade. That'd be perfect. Alright. We got two more things in here. We've got a sheet mask. Oh, this is from Mamonde also. And this is the Flower Lab Essence Mask. And I got the rose one. So there were several different scents you could get, and I got the rose one. So, I like rose masks, but I appreciate that. That'll be well used. I love sheet masks. Okay, and the last thing in here is Browgal, the Instatint Tinted Brow Gel. And I'm betting, because this has happened to me before, that this will be in a color I can't use. It says for brown hair. Let's see what it looks like. Well, it might be. I don't know. I'll have to try it. Because it looks kind of light. I might be able to pull that off. But it's a tinted brow gel. That's what it looks like on my hand. So, I might be able to pull that off. We'll have to see. But that is worth $22. Wow, that's an expensive brow gel. Oh, and that mask was $7. So, that's a pretty good box. It's a pretty good box this time. Boxes are getting better as we go along, and they are improving their shipping as we've gone along. Like I said, when I unboxed this last month, I was fairly fed up with them, so I was pleased that this came actually in February instead of coming in March when it was the February box. So I was excited to unbox this for you guys this time because it was actually in the month it was supposed to be. So yeah, I hope that March's box comes even earlier and I can get it out even earlier. So that's it for my Allure Beauty Box unboxing, and I hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in a video again soon. Bye guys.